Look, I just closed the blinds. Look at the light. Uh-huh. Come on. Here we go. Come on, Maggie. Do you not want to walk? Do you like it on your butt? There you go. Say, who needs to walk? Who needs to walk? Huh? She's so sweet. You are unique. She crawled all the way down the hallway today. Not like she can't. There you go. Good girl. What'd she do, Tyson? Huh? Better be watching out for yourself. What's up? What you doing? Say it's easier to bop on these floors. Okay.